Feeling restless inside, wanting you to always be by my side. I don't even want you out of my sight. You are in my thoughts all day and night. I can't get you out of my mind. I think I'm in love. Yo. Words are just not enough, can't explain. It all happened so fast. What exactly am I feeling right now? If this is love, I got to know somehow just how long this madness will last. 'Cause I think I'm in love. Let's go back here. I think thank you so much. It really is a privilege to be here tonight, being given all this beautiful song by this maestra, Superiora. She is one of my best friends. Alam mo, tagal na rin natin nagsasama, no? Ilang taon na? Mga 40 years. 40 actually. Yeah, that's right. Actually, alam mo, Cecil, God's plan for the life of Cecil was something that she didn't know. And during the time when she would be heartbroken, hindi niya akalain makakagawa pala siya ng mga hits dahil dun sa sakit ng puso niya. Katulad nito. Ilang beses ka ba na heartbroken, Sid? Ako marami. Help me forget the one I love so much. We had to say goodbye. It's just no good to try, for we both know deep inside We cannot get along. We both try to be strong, but everything went wrong. Maybe we don't belong. Help me to forget. I tried so hard and yet it's just hard to forget. Both try to be strong, but everything went wrong. Maybe we don't belong. Help me to forget. I tried so hard and yet it's just hard to forget. We cannot get along. We both try to be strong. To forget, I tried so hard and yet it's just hard to forget. Napaka-simpleng melody, napaka-simpleng lyrics, but so easy to remember. That's why I love the Cecil Azarcon songs.
Thank you, Ku. Naalala mo nung nasa Amerika ako nakatira, alam niyo, tinawagan ako ni Ku. And sabi niya sa akin, Cecilia, actually tawag ka sa akin, Cecilia. Yeah, you're doing, at that time, I'm working on an all-Tagalog album. And she asked me to write all of the songs for that album. Pinakamarami talaga lang nakuha si Ku na mga kanta sa akin. Alam niyo, ganito yan eh. Nung, meron akong black notebook na andun yung nakasulat yung mga compositions ko. Eh, alam niya yung black notebook ko. Pag ano kami sa music room ko, sabi niya sa akin, Cecilia, anong tono niyan? Kantahin mo. Di kakantahin ko naman, no? Akin yan. Ito, anong tono nito? Di kakantahin ko naman. Akin yan. Kaya nakabuo ng ilang album si Socorro. Dalawa, no?
Marunong ako humingi. Sabi nga ask and it shall be given.
That's right.
Seek, ito, see, and you will find. Knock, and it will be open to you. Lagi ako nagdanak dun sa door ng bahay ni Ceci.
Ayan. Pero kagaya ng kinanta niyang Help Me Forget, ito yung parang sagot doon kasi parang sobra ka ng heartbroken. That's why I was able to come up with this song. Tama na yung mga pangako. No more promises. This is what this next song is about.
Pangakong napapato.
Oo.
Huwag kang mangako ng pag-ibig na walang huwag kang mangako sa puso ilang ulit nasaktan. Kahit matindi ang sandamdamin, nagbabago tumitibok ngayon, bukas kaya damdamin ay ganun pa rin. Sapat na sa'kin ang minsan mong sabihin na ako'y iyong mahal.
Kung sadyang tayo ang pagsuyo ay kusang magtatagal, please don't promise that you'll love me until the end of time. Please don't promise to my heart that has been hurt a million times. Million talaga. Kahit matindi ang isang damdamin, nagpapago rin. Tumitibok ngayon, bukas kaya damdamin ay ganun pa rin. Sapat na sa'kin ang minsan mong sabihin na ako'y iyong mahal. Kung sadyang tayo ang pagsuyo ay kusang magtatagal, sapat na sa'kin ang minsan mong sabihin na ako'y iyong mahal. Kung sadyang tayo ang pagsuyo ay kusang magtatagal. The one and only Ceci Alarcon. Thank you. He's good at that, man. Thank you, baby. Thank you. And because she's always close to our Lord, this song came a hit, a semi-hit, but it was resurrected about 10 years ago for the teleserie. Should we stay or should we say goodbye? Walk away or give it one more try? What a waste to let our dreams just fly, and as the days go by, we'll always wonder why. Are we left to find one that will fit? Is this what we really want to be? With new lives we need to have so much. It really is quite tough, and love is not enough. Tell me, why did we find each other only to part ways in the end? Tell me how we learned to love each other. Tell me why two people have to change. Was it love that made us drift away? Hurting words we should not even say. Hold my hand and look straight in my eyes. If we can say then one more try. Tell me, why did we find each other only to part ways in the end? Tell me how we learned to love each other. Tell me why two people have to change. Cecil Azarcon, the one and only. How about a big gift? You're the girl. She makes only masterpieces. Thank you, Kuya.
Thank you. I love you so.
I love you too.